Good morning friends, I am Shalik Katane working as a subject assistant at District Institute of Education and Training, Gondia. Today we will discuss on force and type of force. A force is a push or pull acting upon an object as a result of its interaction with another object. A force changes or tend to change the state of rest or motion of a body. फोर्समुळे काय होते, चेंजेस घडत असतात आणि एखादी स्थिर असलेली बॉडी ती गतीमध्ये येते किंवा गतीमध्ये असलेली वस्तू फोर्समुळे ती स्थिर केल्या जाते. Forces are placed into two broad categories: contact force and non-contact forces. Look at here, force. A force is an influence which tend to set a stationary body in motion or which tend to change the speed and direction of a moving body or which tend to change the shape of a body. Type of force. There are two type of force: contact force and non-contact forces. In contact forces there is interaction between object and touch. Contact force मध्ये काय होईल, एखाद्या वस्तूसोबत आपला कॉन्टॅक्ट होत असतो, संपर्क होत असतो. What are the types? In contact forces, applied force is there. There is a spring force, drag force, frictional force and normal force. And in non-contact forces there is a magnetic force is a non-contact force, means that is attract or repel even from a distance. In non-contact force attract म्हणजे दोन वस्तूमध्ये अट्रॅक्शन होतो किंवा ते एकमेकाला दूर फेकले जातात. इवन फ्रॉम ए डिस्टन्स, जर त्यांच्यामधील अंतर सुद्धा असेल तरी ते अट्रॅक्ट केले जातात किंवा रिपेल केले जातात. In this non-contact forces, magnetic force is the example of non-contact force, electric force is the example of non-contact force, gravitational force is the example of non-contact force. Contact forces. A contact force is defined as the force between two objects that are in physical contact. For example, kicking a soccer ball is a contact force since physical contact is between the foot and the ball. Contact force arise: friction force, a man pushing a box. Here tension force, two men pulling a rope. Non-contact force, a force that can be applied without any contact between two bodies, is called non-contact force. Example: magnetic force and gravitational force. Non-contact forces, look at here, there is a gravitational force. A ball thrown in the air, a boy throw a ball in the air. Due to gravitational force, the ball reach the ground at certain distance at some time. This is happen due to gravitational force. Electric force, to charge conductor. Non-contact force, magnetic force, a kind of non-contact force. Materials such as iron, nickel, cobalt and other magnetic just need to be near the magnet to be attracted or repelled. Electric force, non-contact force of electric charges. Gravitational force, the force of attraction between any two objects in the universe. All objects have gravitational force. The mass of an object and its distance determine the strength of its gravitational force. Thank you friends for watching this video.